Welcome to our series of video in factoring polynomial. The goal of this video to explain the meaning of perfect square trinomial. 1 square means 1 times 1 equal 1. 2 square means 2 times 2 is 4. 3 square means 3 times 3 is 9. 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on is perfect square, because any number can I write it as a power of 2. I can write 1 as 1 square, I can write 4 as 2 square, I can write 9 as 3 square, and so on. 60, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. 11 square also is 11 times 11, means 121. 121 is perfect square because I can write 121 as number power of 2. 12 square is 144. Also 144 is perfect square. X plus 3 quantity square, this is binomial, it means x plus 3 times x plus 3. When I multiply these two binomials, I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Because this is trinomial written as binomial quantity square, I call this trinomial perfect square trinomial. When you have number, you need to write number square. But in trinomial, you have to write it as binomial quantity square. Perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that can be written as square of binomials. This is trinomial here. I can write it as x plus 3 quantity square. X plus 3 quantity square means x plus 3 times x plus 3. If I multiply this, I multiply x times x squared. Last, I get positive 9. The middle term is this is 3x and the outer term 3x is 6x here. I'm going to break the 6x to 3x. First time the second 3x multiplied by 2. First time the second multiplied by 2. I write this as 3x. And here plus. Multiply by 2. Here also x times x squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, I get positive 9. And the last term always positive. The inner product negative 3x. And the outer product also negative 3x. The middle term negative 6x. I'm going to break the negative 6x here to the first times the second. X times 3 is 3x multiplied by 2. If the sign negative, stay negative. The middle term stay negative. And first times the second, which is 3x multiplied by 2. In general, a minus b quantity square. A times a, I get a square. Last time last, negative b times negative b, I get positive b square. And the last term all in perfect square trinomial, the last term always positive. The inner product negative ab and the outer product negative ab. If I combine them, I get negative 2ab because the coefficient here means 1. Negative ab multiplies the first time the second multiplied by 2. To find x plus 3 quantity square in short way, I can square the first, x square. Square the second and always positive, 3 square. You multiply the second times the first, 3 times x is 3x. And here plus, the sign stay plus. And I multiply this by 2. Equal under equal. X square. 2 times 3, I get 6x. 3 square means 9. X minus 3 quantity square. I use this formula. I square the first. I square the second. X square. I square the second, which is 3 square. Sign stay negative. I multiply first times the second, which is 3x. Here positive. I multiply first times the second, I multiply by 2. Equal under equal. Here x square. Minus 2 times positive 3, I get negative 6x plus 9. To find the 5x minus 1 quantity square, means 5x times 5x minus 1 times 5x minus 1, but I'm going to do it in short way. I square the first, means 5x quantity square. I squared the second, which is 1, always positive. I multiply the first times the second, 5x times 1. Here it's sign negative, stay negative. 5x times 1, I get 5x. Multiplied by 2. Equal under equal. 5x quantity square means 5x times 5x, I get 25x square. 25x square minus 2 times 5 is 10x. 1 square means 1. And this trinomial is perfect square trinomial because I can write it as binomial to the power of 2. To find the product of 5y minus 5x quantity square, I'm not going to multiply it 4y minus 5x times 4y minus 5x. I'm going to do it in short way. You square the first, which is 4y quantity square. You square the second, and always positive. 5x quantity square. The sign negative stay negative. I multiply the first times the second. 4 times 5, I get 20xy. You get 20xy. You multiply it by 2. Equal under equal. 4y quantity square means 4y times 4y. I get 16y square. Also, the last term 5x quantity square means 5x times 5x is 25x square. The middle term, which is negative, 2 times 20, I get 40xy. This is your homework. Please try those in your own. And if you have any questions, please write it in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.